Hello guys, in this video we are going to create an action bar for our Android app using Kotlin. So here you can see the example or a demo of the action bar. So here I have an icon of search. If I click, I'll just get a toast telling clicked on search, and here if I click on that, I have two menus, which is favorite and share, and in share I have sub menus, which is WhatsApp and Instagram. When I click on this, the click is handled as a toast which says clicked on Instagram. So we will just see how to create it, and let's get started. To begin with, we have to go to files, new project, and I am choosing an empty activity. Go to next, and then we will just give it a name. So I'll give action bar YT and make sure it's in Kotlin, and then we have to finish it. We have to wait until the Gradle get built. So after the Gradle getting built, in activity main.xml we have an empty XML or an empty layout which says hello world. So we will just add a action bar into it. So for that we have to go to the resource file in our app. So open the resource file and then right click on it and go to new Android resource directory. Click on it, and then resource type we have to choose it as menu, and then click OK. So we will get a directory of menu, and inside menu you have to right click new menu resource file. Okay, and then we have to name it. So I'm just naming it as custom menu. It accepts only lower cases, so make sure you don't get an error of that, and click OK. So here we get the action bar menu. So we will split it and just make it a bit bigger. Okay, so here we have to add all the items which we need in our action bar. So we will add the item. So item will have the ID obviously, so ID will be search, and then another we will have a title. So I'll just name the title as search, and then we have to keep the icon. So for now we don't have the icon, we will just add an icon, and then we have to show tell the show as action. So we have to tell if we want to show it, or if we want to not show it, or if we want to show if there is a space or something like that. So here you have 5 options. So we will just keep it as always so that it keeps showing, and then I'll close this. So we need our icon. So we will go to drawable, and inside drawable we will just right click new image asset, and inside image asset we will go to action bar and tab icons, and we will click onto the clip art. We will search for search icon, so we will get this, and we will click OK. I'll change the color to dark so that it gets white, and I'll change the name to IC search, and then click next and then finish. So that we got our search icon here. Now I will add here IC search, and we got that here, and then I will just add another item, and I'll give the ID as favorite, and then the title as favorite, and then show as action I will just give never, and then I'll close this as well, and then I will add another one. It should be same. I'll just copy paste it, and then I will go here and share, and then I will just change the title also to share, and inside this item I will just close so that we get another. So inside this item we need sub menus. So for that I will inside this item we will create another menu. So I'll just write menu and then close. We get a menu here, and inside this menu we have to add the item. So I'll add item ID WhatsApp, and then title also WhatsApp, and then show as action I will just say never, and then I'll close this, just copy paste it again, and then I'll just change it to Instagram. The title also. Okay, so here we have completed with our designs. So this is our design, and then we have to now inflate this to our main activity. So for that we will go to our main activity.kt file, and inside our main activity class we have to override a function. So we will override function on create option menu, and then we will just return true. So before returning true, we have to inflate our menu inflator. So we will just call menu inflator dot inflate, and inside this inflator we have to give the ID. So r dot menu dot custom menu, and then we have to pass our argument which we are getting from the function. So that will be menu. So this is it. This is only code required to show the menu in our app. Now we need to handle our clicks also. So to handle our clicks, we need to override another function. So we will write override function on option item selected, and the item will be menu item. So we will just handle all the clicks here. So we will just return when item dot item ID, and then inside this we have to mention the ID. So r dot id dot search, and then we will say when we click search we have to do a toast. So we will write toast dot make text. Inside this we will give the context as this, and we will write the text you clicked search, and then we will write toast dot max length long, and then we will write show, and then we will return it true. So we have to make it for everything. So one we have search, another we have favorite, share, WhatsApp, Instagram. Now let's quickly change the names. So we are handling all the clicks, and if that is not the case, we have to handle for our exception as well. So after this we have to write an else. You are just going to paste this thing. Let's Control V, and then we will just remove this. So we have to write this here. Okay, so yeah, that is all done. Now we have our custom menu, and let me change the color of this. So we will go to our values, themes, open our themes, and the first themes we will just color primary and color primary variant. We will just change this. So I will just write teal 200 and then teal 700. If you want to change the color, if you want to give your own color, you have to go to the colors, add your color, and then add the name and then the hex code, and then you can just add them there. Okay, so now let's see our menu. So we got the color changed. Now let's just run this app. Okay, so it is built and then it is ready. So here we have the search icon. So let me click onto it. You click the search. Okay, we are getting it, and in this we have favorite and share. When I click favorite, I am getting the favorite toast, and in share I am getting the share toast. And then here if I click WhatsApp, I am getting WhatsApp, and then when I click Instagram, I will have to get the Instagram after this. So yeah, we have done with this. So that is all about in this video. Thank you.